Welcome back to Fox News, and Mondays are awesome. I'm your host, Ben Stillwell, and this is our other host, Herschel Foster Weinberg.
Yes, hello Ben. Today we review the newly discovered news about the female house sparrow. We've got the news that the female house sparrow landed in Kauai, Hawaii yesterday at about 4 p.m.
Yes, and we have a clip of this bird flying from a very helpful bird tracker, Thomas Long.
Yes, hello Herschel and Ben. It is very chilly here in Pennsylvania. It is a pleasure to show you this newly made video of the first female house sparrow to fly to Kauai, Hawaii. Here's the video. I am the first female house sparrow to go to Kauai. I started my journey at the pheasanting campus and flew to Denver. It was a long, tiring journey. I stopped in Denver and scavenged for food. Then I watched a long football game and my feathers changed color. It was the craziest thing, but I had to continue my journey to Kauai. I then flew to Los Angeles, California, and I scavenged for food there. It was a long journey to get there, and I was very tired. I had to get more food in LA. So I stopped and rested there, and a boat caught my eye while I was flying. I hopped on it, and it started to bring me to Kauai. Then I got to Kauai, made a friend, and it taught me to have a striker beak, and that's how I became who I am now.
Herschel to tell us some more about the female house sparrow that is going to Kauai. Herschel.
Yes, we are following the bird's every move in Kauai, Hawaii. Right now, as you see behind me, we have a pause photo of the female house sparrow diving deep into the ocean to grab a fish. This new female house sparrow will eat tropical fruit from the island and use its beak to open them. He will also use his beak to eat and stab fish and minnows. Fun fact, Kauai is the rainiest place on Earth. Even right now, I see dark clouds rolling in.
Thank you, Herschel. And ladies and gents, that was our Fox News Rundown.